I'm going to help you overcome one of the biggest roadblocks holding independent insurance agencies back in today's marketplace. It's building repeatable systems that actually scale. Does your business depend on you too much? Let's be honest. If you stepped away for a week, completely disconnected, would things still run smoothly? Be honest. Many agencies fail to scale because they lack streamlined, repeatable systems for managing operations, delivering excellent customer care and client service. Instead, everything revolves around the owner or the leadership, the knowledge, the decisions, the availability, all of it. Let me share with you why this is a critical roadblock. First, inefficiencies. Without systems, your team wastes time figuring things out on the fly instead of having reliable, repeatable systems in place that help them focus on their core responsibilities. It leads to mistakes. Inconsistent processes lead to missteps, to errors, to drop decisions. People drop balls. It leaves the agency at risk. Things that can cost you clients, your reputation, and so much more. And it will lead to burnout. As the owner, if you're consistently putting out fires all the time, making decisions that should already be built into your processes, this keeps you stuck in the day-to-day operation and prohibits you from actually working on your business, which limits your ability to grow. All of this makes me think of one of our 3-year coaching clients, Mariah, who, by the way, has grown 307% since we started working together. We were able to create a solid foundation in our agency business to grow like that. Let me share with you why systems matter. Processes and systems free you up from the grind. First of all, they create consistency. Secondly, they reduce errors. And three, they ensure your clients get the same high level of service and consistency every time. Here's some areas your agency should focus on. 1, onboarding new clients. Do you have a repeatable process for onboarding new clients that's the same way or close to the same way every time? If not, create one. This sets the tone for the relationship and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. People can depend on reliability and consistency from you. Next, daily workflow management. Document your key workflows in the agency, like how policies are quoted, how claims are handled, and how renewals are processed. Next, make sure that you use checklists and templates to make sure that the tasks are easier for your team. They're going to be happier and more productive. Next, client communication. Create systems for regular touch points with your clients, whether it's accounts, account reviews, client nurturing, and relationship building, or follow-ups after a claim. The key to client retention is consistency. Posted double-digit growth in her agency of 22%, 34%, and 43% revenue growth in the last 3 years in her significant million-dollar revenue agency. After she created these systems, she created her roadmap for client success and her hand-be blueprint in her agency. So what's your solution? Build repeatable systems. It all starts with the vision organizer. And before you can build systems, you need to be clear about your agency's direction. Knowing your destination is all you need to get there. That's where a clear vision organizer comes into play. What is it? A vision organizer is a 2-page document that outlines where you want your business to go and, more importantly, how you're going to get there. The key elements include your long-term growth goals, whether it be revenue, premium, your team size, what the future looks like, the number of clients, the number of policies, all of it. It includes your major priorities and the areas that you want to focus on in the next 1 to 3 years. And it includes a clear breakdown of roles and responsibilities for everybody on the team and what's required to all of you together achieve those goals. Here's a practical exercise that you can do today. Set aside some time today, if you can, to map out your agency's vision and what the future looks like in your agency, either by yourself or if you have a leadership team, with your leadership team. Make sure everyone is on the same page and you have alignment and clarity with what their role is in making your future vision a reality. The next thing that you can do is conduct standardized account reviews. Why account reviews should be non-negotiable in your agency? Think about this. Account reviews ensure that your clients are fully protected and satisfied with the level of care and protection that they have from you and your team. They also create opportunities to upsell, to cross-sell, to earn referrals, and so much more. You start by building the process. Schedule proactive, regular reviews for all of your clients. Or if you don't have the time and bandwidth, segment your clients and start with your AAA clients. Use a standardized checklist and systematic process to do your account reviews. Document the outcomes of all of your reviews inside your agency management system for follow-up, and so everybody remains on the same page. With your team, practice and role play. Practice and role play again and again to become more proficient and better. That way you provide that level of consistency for your clients, for your prospects, and everybody that comes in contact with your agency business. Remember, systems are the backbone of scalable growth in your agency business. They free up the focus to be able to strategize and empower your team to do the things that is needed to be done and to ensure that your clients receive the level of exceptional care that's necessary. Start building your systems today and watch how it transforms your agency business.